Hello, my name is Eric Beauchamp. I am the product manager here at HumanWare for low vision devices. In today's little tutorial, we'll see how to operate the Reveal16i. Reveal16i is the big brother of the Reveal16. It is the same thing as the Reveal16 except with all the intelligence using Prodigy. Physically, the Reveal 16 looks identical to the Reveal 16i looks identical to the Reveal 16. It can be folded. It's the same weight. The only difference is physically is that there is a front-facing camera. There is a camera for the OCR. There is a touchscreen enabled, speakers in the front of the device, a USB to connect to a computer to share files with the computer. Also on the side, there is a USB port to connect a USB stick with a headphone jack. Also, if you look at the buttons, there is one button that was added for the Reveal 16i, which is the switch button. This switch button, if you click on it, it will bring you to Prodigy. So if we do that, we're into Prodigy, where we have the same applications that we have usually in Prodigy in the Connect 12. So we have the gallery, we have settings, we have help, and on the other side, we have books and calculator. So you can also access Android desktop to get your favorite apps from the App Store by doing a press and hold of your five fingers or four fingers, just like in the Connect 12. To come back to Prodigy, you just click on the home button if your Prodigy is set as a home application. In Prodigy, you can select the camera application, and here you'll be asked to place a document underneath the camera. And then here you have a couple of buttons that you can use. You can access either the gallery, which is the last button at the bottom. You can do a multi-page document. You can just take a capture and do the OCR, or you can use the back button to go back to the main menu. So in this example, if we just click on the capture button, it will capture the document, do the OCR on it, and once it's ready, we can have Prodigy read it out loud for us. Also, we can save the document to be able to edit the document, take some notes and things like that, just exactly like we would do with the Connect 12. So right now my document has been OCR'd. So if I can do a pinch and zoom and then start reading the document, I can make it stop, zoom in here, the plus or the minus. If I want to come back to my live mode, I just click on the switch button on the main panel, and you're back to the main uh, live mode. In live mode, you can also do some viewing, distance viewing, so you can aim the camera at whatever you would like to see at distance. There you have it, the Reveal 16i from HumanWare. Thank you for listening.